Good afternoon, folks. Welcome. This is the general reading for the collective of Earth signs, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgos. My name is Stephanie, and by continuing to watch this video, thank you, you are consenting to having your energy read, as well as consenting to receiving these messages. So let's begin. We have the Emperor, King of Wands, the Three of Wands, the High Priestess, the Ace of Swords, and the Six of Wands. There is a scenario where our previous experiences, we've gained a lot of wisdom from them. Gained a lot of experience. We've gained a lot of knowledge. We're being asked to look back at how much we've grown, how far we've come. How much we've achieved. Left is significant. We have really matured. How do we reflect? How do we look back? Going through our journals. Yeah, look back. Look back at our dreams. There's something we missed. Ooh, we're going to be having a visitor in our dreams. Someone's going to be visiting us in our dreams. Telepathy. Astral traveling. Is that what it's called? Astral traveling. Yeah, look back at our dreams. For someone like me, maybe it's a time to start journaling about our dreams. I've heard lots of people say, start a dream journal, start a dream journal. Have I done that yet? No. We're receiving some information. Okay, so we were given information in our dreams. And there's an aspect that I guess we didn't notice, pick up on. And it's coming back around. What does that mean? So this dream we're going to be experiencing is going to be portrayed differently than we received it the first time. However, it's almost like we missed the whole point of the dream the first time. Well, does that mean we screwed up? Does that mean we made a mistake? No, absolutely not. Why? Because we're learning, we're growing. It takes time to comprehend dream messages. Clarity is coming. We are going to see exactly. So this time around, we're going to see, we're going to comprehend, understand the message. Victory. Yeah. Putting in the work. It takes time and effort. So this is the same message portrayed in a different manner. Why? Why? Well, God's teaching us. Master apprentice. We're leveling up. We're building our interpretive skills. Interesting. Open doors, free access, opportunity, warm reception, generosity. Build. Yeah, we're building a new skill. We're building upon skills we already possess. Yeah, that's what I'm getting, earth signs. Spend some time, 11:11, spend some time writing down, start a dream journal, spend some time writing down the dreams, the messages that we've received. Interesting. So this dream is clearly interpreting the second dream that we're having is going to be a clear, literal interpretation. Sometimes, I can only speak for myself, when I receive messages in dreams, sometimes they're vague and out there. And most of the times, I comprehend them. That's not always accurate. Okay, so we're going to rewind that statement. But what I'm getting, look back. Look back. Clarity from dreams. Truth and victory. So we either missed a detail, or we didn't understand, or we speak English, and for metaphor purposes, the dream was in Swahili, so we didn't get it. That type of thing. Well, this time around, there will be zero question about the meaning, the message of the dream. And we're learning. We're growing. We're getting better each time. We're being given the key. The key to unlock this door and we're going to be received well. So we're receiving a visitor in our dreams. Warm reception. We're building upon the skills and the talents and the gifts that we possess. One of them is interpretation, interpretive dreaming, interesting. Yeah, we're receiving a visitor in our dreams. And the message is something that maybe was overlooked, seemed insignificant when we received the message the first time. We didn't understand. And this time, it's all going to make sense. It's going to make sense. I'm going to pull another card. Yeah, we're bettering ourselves. We're learning. We're growing. We're mastering for this level, okay? Mastery. We're mastering our interpretive skills. So it's time. It's time to start keeping a dream journal. For me, for my viewers, consider keeping a dream journal. Consider, if you already do that, then hey, you're already a step ahead of me. Consider going back and reviewing it. Because maybe we received the message. Maybe we interpreted the message incorrectly the first time. Because we're learning. We're learning how to comprehend. This is beautiful, earth signs. So if we keep a journal, however, it's not a dream journal, go back. We've written something down poignantly. We've written something down that is going to 2112 bring into sharp perspective it's going to provide greater love, 2143, greater levels of clarity and comprehension. And this is also conversations. So there's a conversation that's occurring in our dream that is accurate and real and legit and is the truth. So something we don't know, however that resonates, is being brought to light, is being brought to our attention. 2222. Warm reception. This is positive. This is good. So let's look at it like this. Consider looking at it like this. First time we received it, we were meant to perceive it however we perceived it. Why? Because it is coming back around. Now we are realizing the truth, the intention, the reality of the information. Yeah. It's just a learning process. It's a learning process. So this is beautiful, folks. We're building our skills. We're building our knowledge. Prosper. This is positive. This is good. This is supportive. I'm sitting here recalling my dreams, going, oh my God, what did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? And that is not where we should focus. Sit back and relax. It will come. We will understand this time around exactly to the T. We'll understand exactly what the intention, the meaning, the purpose of this information is. So this is beautiful. This is dream interpretations. This is building our interpretive skills. That's what this is doing. Wonderful, earth signs. So however this resonates, look back. So after we have this dream, we will understand the dream, and then we will look back to see how we will know exactly which dream to look back to. And we will see the difference of the two dreams, and we will comprehend, we will understand the meaning, the difference, the similarities. It'll just click. It'll click for us. So everything is clicking, earth signs. All right. Have a great week. I'll see you folks next week. And have a pen and a piece of paper handy. All right. See you next week. Bye.